walking through an art gallery, not filled with brushstrokes of human soul, but walls of images generated in seconds by lines of code. No story behind them, no struggle, no heartbeat, just algorithm mimicking creativity. As someone who deeply values the emotional power of art, we can help but ask, is that really what we want art to become?
Today, we're here to argue that restricting AI in the art industry isn't about fearing technology, it's about protecting the soul of creation itself. Without limits, we risk a future where art becomes soulless. Artists are pushed out of their own field, and deep human connections between creator and audience is lost.
Because all its core, art isn't just a product, it's a voice. And that voice should belong to people and not program. Let's talk about the heart of art, because that's exactly what AI lacks. When an artist creates something, every brushstroke, every line, every color choice carries a piece of them. It's not random, it's a relation of their thoughts, their pain, their joy, their sorrow. Even the smallest details have meaning, shaped by hours, sometimes even years of emotion and experience.
Now, compare that to AI. How does it work? AI art generators rely on neural networks, which are algorithms that identify patterns in data sets. As generators are fed information, neural networks learn to discern patterns and distinguish different objects from one another. An AI art generator can then respond to a prompt, recalling that what a specific object looks like to generate an accurate image. From the way that AI works, we know why it doesn't hit the same. It doesn't feel, it doesn't dream, it doesn't wrestle with ideas late at night or find inspiration in heartbreak. It generates based on patterns. It mimics what it's seen, often by scraping real artists' work without permission. That is not creativity, that is replication. And the result, it's polished, sure, but sometimes even impressive, but empty. It's like listening to a speech read by a robot. The words are there, but the soul is missing. That's why we can't pretend AI art is the same, because behind human art is a beating heart, and behind AI, it's just a code. Another big reason to restrict AI in the art industry is simple. It takes jobs away from real people.
Art isn't just a passion, it's also a career. For many young and talented individuals, it's their dream to work in animation, game, design, advertising, and more. But when companies start replacing them with AI, tools, tools that cost nothing and never ask for bathroom breaks, those dreams get pushed aside.
We've already seen this happening in Hollywood. In June, the film Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny used AI to de-age 80-year-old Harrison Ford. Then in July, actors in the US, specifically the SAG-AFTRA union, went on strike for 118 days. One of the biggest demands? Protection against AI replacing human actors entirely. Their chief negotiator, Duncan Crabtree Ireland, said at the Davos summit that AI was a really important issue in our negotiations. So yeah, it's not a maybe someday problem. It's already here.
And here's the painful part. While big studios and tech companies save money using AI, the actual creativity, the people with talent, emotion, and bills to pay get left behind. Imagine graduating from art school, excited to finally contribute to the industry, only to be told your replacement doesn't need a salary or feelings. Next thing you know, you're eating instant noodles every night. Or worse, you're not eating at all. If we let AI keep pushing and real artists out of the workplace, we are not just losing jobs. We are losing passion, diversity, and the human touch that make art, well, an art.
And finally, let's talk about connection. One of the biggest things that separates artists from AI is the ability to truly relate to the audience. Artists are people. They grow up with the same fandoms, the same obsessions, the same heartbreak over a cancelled show. So when a real artist creates something specifically in the big franchise they love, they understand what the audience actually wants, not just what's trending on some crap.
But what do companies often do? They skip the heart and go straight to the shortcut. They toss passion and creativity aside and let AI generate content based on what's popular on paper. The result might be visually appealing, but it's often emotionally hollow. It's like getting a beautifully wrapped gift box and it's empty inside. Now, to be fair, even real artists can make the mark Star Wars. But when a human messed up, there's at least a chance that they can grow, listen to the feedback, and try again with real empathy. AI, on the other hand, will just keep remixing data until it gives us the same, in a slightly different font.
Now, let's be honest, there is a counter argument. AI is cheap. Real professional artists can charge up to $400 to $600 or even more for one piece. Meanwhile, you can get AI to generate something for free or close to it, just by typing a few words. It's faster, it doesn't need breaks, and can mass produce in minutes. Plus, you can make endless revisions without worrying about the AI burning out. But here's the problem. That kind of mindset turns art into a vending machine. It makes creativity a product, not a process. And sure, it saves money, but at the cost of originality, jobs, and the soul that makes people care about it in the first place.
So yes, AI is efficient, but art isn't supposed to be efficient. It's supposed to be meaningful.
In conclusion, AI might be a powerful tool, but it should stay a tool. It should not become an artist. Because the moment we replace the heart with an algorithm, we lose the very thing that makes stories, characters, and creations worth remembering in the first place.
Now, that's all from us. Thank you for listening.